It's delicious. So fresh. It takes you less than 10 minutes to make this salad. The first thing we do with the salad, we're going to chop the romaine. Cut the romaine and take out the little heart you have in here. The thing is with romaine on this salad, you cut it very small. What we're doing right now, we're drying the romaine. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to chop up the end of the scallions. And then I'm going to put it right in the dryer to dry them. I'm going to put the water. And I'm going to use the same philosophy with the romaine. I'm going to wet it. I'm going to get it dry. Because if you want to taste the dill or the scallions, they got to be dry. More dry they are, better flavor you get. I like when my vegetables, my herbs, they're dry. So now we're just going to cut it very small, very small. I think that's good enough. So it's a little bit left. I'm not going to use that. Scallions. So with the dill now, we're just going to take out the stems. So now we're just going to chop the dill very small. You know, when I make a salad like this, it really makes me feel very close to earth. Now we're going to take the feta. Just a nice creamy feta. I like to crumble it up and put it inside. You see, another way is you slice it, you dice it like. So there you just put it right inside. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of salt. Because you got a lot of feta, it has salt. So you don't need to use a lot of salt. So you go with a half a teaspoon. And if you need more salt, you can add more salt. Okay, so we got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons, 6. And now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. But besides balsamic vinegar, if you like lemon, you can substitute the balsamic vinegar with lemon. So now this is the time we're going to give it a nice mix. You want all the ingredients to combine together and become one. I don't think you can go wrong with this salad. You have the ingredients. It takes you less than 10 minutes to make this salad. All right. It's delicious. So fresh.